students, I welcome you all on Centurion Defense Academy channel. आप सभी का स्वागत है Centurion Defense Academy channel में. So in this video, we are going to see the syllabus for your Series 1 2024. तो चलिए Series 1 2024 का syllabus जानते हैं. When we talk about syllabus, तो पहली बात ये है कि इसमें 3 subjects हैं, ठीक है? Elementary Mathematics, English and your general knowledge or general awareness. So when it comes to your Air Force Academy or Indian Naval Academy, आप इसके लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ये तीनों सब्जेक्ट से आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. There is a video also available regarding the number of questions that are being asked. वो वीडियो भी आप जाकर देख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज ये 3 सब्जेक्ट्स आपके एयर फोर्स अकेडमी में आते हैं, इंडियन नेवल अकेडमी में आते हैं. और when it comes to your OTA, that is Officers Training Academy, इसमें आपके 2 ही सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, which is English and your general awareness. So these 3 subjects are important subjects for your serious examination. चलिए, तो हमने अभी जाना आपका serious exam में subjects related query. Now we are leading to the next section जिसमें हम हर subject का important areas देखेंगे. पहला आपका है elementary mathematics. So when we talk about elementary mathematics, what are the areas जहाँ से questions आते हैं? तो चलिए जानते हैं. So in elementary mathematics, it's your arithmetic, trigonometry, algebra, mensuration, geometry, statistics. तो इसमें हम major division कर सकते हैं when it comes to your elementary mathematics. Elementary mathematics की बात करें तो it comes in your Indian Naval Academy as well as an Indian Air Force Academy. But when it comes to your OTA, for Officers Training Academy, there are 2 subjects, which is English and your general awareness or general knowledge. So we just saw what are the major sections for your elementary mathematics. चलिए आगे दूसरे subjects की ओर चलते हैं. The second subject is your English. It plays a very crucial role in your examination. So English में important area कवर करते हैं, ठीक है? इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया देखते हैं जहाँ से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो दिस इज सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट और सेंटेंस करेक्शन. सो इफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, यू वुड सी दीज इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज which would include your sentence improvement or sentence correction. Then other ones, substitution of words. Apart from that, reading comprehension solving, and then basic grammar. That is very important when you are approaching English. The basic grammar plays a very important role. Then you will have to spot error. Error spotting से related question आएंगे जिसमें sentence होगा. You have to spot error in that sentence. Then there are para-jumbles. In the para-jumbles, there will be jumbles of words and you have in the correct order. Then apart from that, synonyms and antonyms plays a very important role. So synonyms और antonyms रहेगा आपके English में syllabus का part रहेगा, and idioms and phrases that have to. So these are the major areas. These are the major areas in which the topic is divided, and these topics are very important when it comes to your English subject for serious exam. The next subject would be your general knowledge or general awareness. In general knowledge, what are the subjects and areas in which we can categorize this subject? So let's begin. The very important current affairs, whether it's related to sports or any political news or any economical news, anything relevant to this is very, very, very important. So current affairs plays a very important role. So you need to go through newspaper, whether it's the Hindu or Indian Express, whatever you choose, you should go through that. There are various magazines available here. Centurion provides you those magazines. There is a current affairs class going on. तो यहाँ current affairs की classes होती हैं. YouTube video है उसके regarding. Every day there's a current affair lectures available to you. So you can go through that as well. उसके अलावा science. Science plays a very important role in your GK exams as well. It contains your physics subject, then your biology and chemistry. So it basically is comprised of all these subjects. In general science, it's very important that you consider physics, chemistry and biology. Apart from that, economics. economics plays a very important role, very important subject when it comes to your general knowledge preparation. Apart from that, geography and environment. Geography plays a really very important role. If you see, अगर आप क्वेश्चन पेपर उठाकर देखें तो ज्योग्राफी से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. सो ज्योग्राफी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके साथ साथ एनवायरनमेंट, अलॉन्ग विद दैट एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. उसके अलावा पॉलिटी, स्पेशली व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इंडियन पॉलिटी भी इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है ऑफ योर जनरल अवेयरनेस. इंडियन पॉलिटी के लिए रेफ़र करने के लिए इफ़ यू थिंक कि आपको गाइडेंस अवेलेबल नहीं है तो यहाँ सेंचुरियन में क्लासेस होती हैं स्पेसिफिकली फॉर CDS, सो यू कैन जॉइन इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, हिस्ट्री प्लेज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. इफ़ यू सी दिस ईयर पेपर, इस साल का पेपर उठाकर देखें CDS का, सो यू विल सी द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड is gradually evolving and you can see in those papers. So उसके regarding भी यहाँ पर guidance available है. Teachers, there are very good teachers available here, so you can join here at Centurion. So these are the major subjects that we have gone through for your CDS 1 2024 examination. So you should not delay your preparation and enroll here right now if you think you need guidance for your examination. आज के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही. Thank you. जय हिंद.